Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 16646 large key identifier, vinyl, package of 50 in a neon green. Here's what it looks like. When you buy one, this is what you're purchasing right here, package of 50. Okay. Let's give you some dimensional properties of the item. Overall diameter is about 1 1/8 inches. Okay. Overall thickness is about 3/16, and obviously has the slot here for you to be able to get the key blade into. So you'll load it with the key blade through that slotted hole, then stretch this around the head. This is the large size and is less common because the medium size is more appropriate for typical house keys. Now this will work just fine. It's just not going to contour itself as much over your standard Kwikset and Schlage cut keys. Okay, neon green is the color. Keeps similar keys separated by color. Will stretch to fit over most standard key heads for easy key identification. Rubber-like vinyl, resists cracking, color fading, pliable but won't break, yet durable. Not recommended for ignition keys. If you've got an old, you've got a 1986 GMC pickup, use the medium. But yeah, it would work. Ignition keys these days are high-tech and no longer common, so they're not going to fit on modern car ignition keys because there's no way for them to slide in there. The use of the key identifier, for me, color is very helpful when you have a large fleet of keys that you are handing out, but for me personally, I use it just for tactile. You might have a garage key, and you might have the front door, which is different from everything else. And if you put this onto your front door, you'll know which key you have in your pocket in the dark, that sort of scenario. Now the 16646 is the specific part number. Let me explain why I'm saying that. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Now, the full product catalog, if you were to search that by just like Control F, 166, you're going to get to the page, or 16646 for that matter. You'll get to the page where you will find this item. You really won't find it with a 16646. But if you get to the key identifier page, which happens to be page 20 of version 18, the point being is you'll see how this part number is derived. You'll be able to see exactly how they determine this derivative of the key identifier. 166, that first part prefix of the part number means the large, versus the 167 for medium, 164 for small. No logic to that, really. When you add to the end of that a color, such as 46 for neon green, you will get, per the table, this specific packaging. So 166 plus color means that it's a 50 pack by color. Okay? You can order it in different sorts of colors. Let's go over them. 10 is black, 30 is blue, 40 is green, 65 is purple, 68 is magenta, 70 is red, 80 is yellow, 46, the neon colors, 46 for neon green, 56 for neon orange, 66 for neon pink, and 86 for neon yellow. Now on that page, you'll notice how you can derive different assortments of the large key identifiers, meaning you can buy a jar of 500 in an assorted color. If you have a retail checkout process, you're a lock shop, you're a hardware store, you wouldn't want this on in your impulse area. You'd want a jar of them. So you could order the 166. Actually, it doesn't. The 166 does not. Actually, it does. The 16628 would be the 500 medium jar of assorted neon colors, things of that nature. Okay, so that page in the website, in the product catalog, will help you determine how best to derive a part number to get exactly what you want, not only in terms of size, but in terms of packaging and quantity, and of course color. is you look through the rest of that catalog, and if you have more than an occasional need for key management hardware, by all means, go through it, because the name Lucky Line is quite synonymous with key management hardware. You will see that they get into practically everything. Key tags made of paper and plastic and aluminum and brass. Key rings made from the small giveaway key rings all the way up to the large pull-apart jailer-style key rings. Of course, the tempered steel, nickel-plated split-style key rings. They can do aircraft cable in their twisting line, where you can contort it into a figure eight to lock and unlock it, or crimp those for permanent closure. They will get into spring-style wrist coils, fobs, lanyards. They can do custom printing on practically everything they sell as well. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line 16646, large bag of 50 neon key identifiers, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.